this is what it looks like when you get wine delivery.
There you go, 3 boxes.
So we're about to open it all. We'll show you what's in there, and then stay till the end to see what we open and put in this glass for this guy to taste and review for you.
Yeah, one of these 30 bottles. We're gonna grab one, so stay tuned. Fantasy. Look at that.
Ah!
Whoa, smells tropical. Ho ho.
We haven't chilled it.
Nope, it's straight out of the box. So it doesn't seem to be a traditional method. I have no indication that it's trad, so it's probably just a
Charmat method.
Charmat. It smells tropical. Holy smokes. You know, like apricot, pineapple, peach and pear. A little floral nose. I don't know what's in there. I don't know what it could be. Okay, let me guess. I would say maybe Viognier. Might be Viognier. Okay, it's super tasty. The bubbles are at the right place. It's there's a nice mid palate. It's soft. It's not aggressive. There's nice edges, like really nice edges. So and I get all of that tropical on the nose. I got it on the palate as well. There's a bright acid though who keeps everything lifted. So I mean, not really knowing which kind of grape it is, I would say I know that she likes to work with Southern Rhone varietal. Okay, so that's why Viognier comes to mind. It might be Marsanne, because I know there's a little bit of Marsanne in her area as well. But, I mean, this is very delicious. I really love that. This is day 52 of our YouTube challenge, opening a new Canadian wine every single day until we hit the 1,000 subscriber. And you know what? When you hit the 1,000 subscriber, we might keep going because we love sharing the love of Canadian wine, and there's so many good things and so much more to tell you all about. So click the bell below, join the party, and share with your friends because there's a lot to discover.